Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the third question in exercise 1.1. Write the following sets in roster form. So there are 6 subdivisions. Let's take the first one. A is having elements x such that x is an integer between -3 less than or equal to x less than 7. So let us take that definition here. -3 less than or equal to x less than 7. So how do we write in roster form? We use a simple curly bracket. We list all the elements one by one with a specific comma. So this says -3 less than or equal to. Since the equal to symbol is there, -3 is also a part of this set. So simply start writing all the integers from -3 up till 6. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now if you see, it says less than 7, so 7 is not part of the set. So we can simply close this out. Now the next is subdivision. X is a natural number less than 6. So they have said it is going to be less than 6. We know that natural number starts from 1. So you can simply write open braces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 less than 6. So in this case, I'm not including the 6. Now the next is subdivision. Set C is equal to X such that it's a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digits is 8. So the sum of the digits should be equal to 8. So let's start writing here. Set C is going to have an element of sum of 2-digit numbers and their sums has to be 8. So I'm starting with 17. Then I'm going to do a 26, a 35, a 44. Now let's do the reverse digits. 44, there is no point because sets don't have duplicate elements. But for this 35, I can reverse it and write 53, 62 and 71. Then there is also the digit 80 because 8 plus 0 is 8. So set C has these as elements. Now let's look at the fourth option. Set D has element x such that x is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. So the question was factor of 60, at the same time those factors should be prime numbers. So set D is going to have elements 2 which is a factor of 60 and a prime number. Similarly 3, 5. Other factors of 60 are not prime numbers, so they are not listed in this set. Now let's look at the fifth one. E is a set of all letters in the word trigonometry. So I'm simply going to list all the elements in set E from the letter. So the first time T came, R, I, G, O, N. O is again rare, so we don't repeat duplicate, so you can skip that. Then M, E, T is already there, R is already there, so I'm skipping that and writing the Y. So the duplicates in this are removed from the word trigonometry and just the individual distinct letters are part of the set. For the last subdivision, F is the set of all letters in the word better. So if I use the set for F, B is the first time occurrence, E is first time occurrence, T is first time occurrence. Another T is already there, so not to be done. E is already there, the last letter R. So you write only distinct collection of elements as part of a set. In the next video, we will see how to solve the next question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.